horizontal line, we know it's like the horizon, right? Goes straight across. It's like you're looking at a flat field in Nebraska. You're watching the sunset on the horizon. It's just a straight line across, right? And vertical lines, which are straight up and down, we kind of talked about this with the vertical line test last chapter. So when we say we need to graph y equals 4, when we are talking about y equals 4, that tells us that our y-intercept is 4. The y-intercept is always where it crosses the y-axis. So we go up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make a dot. And in order for our line to cross the y-axis, it needs to be a straight horizontal line. If we did a straight vertical line, it's not crossing the y-axis at a single point. It's crossing the y-axis everywhere, right? We know our y-intercept is 4. There's only one y-intercept in this situation, and it's 4. So in order for only one y-intercept to happen, it needs to be a straight line across, going infinitely to the right, infinitely to the left. It's not curving back to cross y again, right? It's only crossing y once. Same thing goes for x equals -2. It's crossing the x-axis one time at -2. So we have to go to the x-axis, we have to go left 2. Make our dot at -2 and draw a straight vertical line. And again, it has to be a straight vertical line because it's only crossing the x-axis at one point. And that point is defined at -2. If it was curving up and down and across the x-axis more than once, right? This situation, it's once, one time. That's why it's a straight vertical line. So that's pretty simple, right? Okay. We're going to move on to monitoring progress. Go ahead and pause the video, try to graph these two on your own, and we're going to check it together. Okay, hopefully you've already done that. We look at y equals -2.5. That tells us our y-intercept, where it's crossing the y-axis, is at -2.5. So we go down 1, 2.5, kind of go in between 2 and 3 on the y-axis. Make our point, and it has to be a straight horizontal line because it's just crossing the y-axis one time. And I know it's not very straight, but you guys get the point. We look at number 2. Our x-intercept is 5. That's all we're given. So we go 5 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a point. And a straight vertical line. That's all it is. It's a horizontal or vertical line. It is a horizontal line when you have y equals, because that's a y-intercept. You have a vertical line if it's x equals, because that is our x-intercept. Okay, intercepts. We kind of talked about it, right? The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. At the y-axis, if we make a solid point where our y-intercept is, our x value is 0 every time. If it's on the y-axis, our x is 0 every time. If it's on the x-axis, the same goes. The y is 0 every time.